Can you make a business plan with side hustle money? The answer is yes. And today I'll guide you how, so let's take a look at the guide I made for you guys. How to make a business plan with side hustle money. Making a business plan is important for any business, whether it's funded by side hustle money or not. The first step is to come up with a business idea. It can be helpful to brainstorm a list of potential business ideas and then to research which ones have the greatest potential for success. After settling on a business idea, the second step is to create a roadmap for how the business will operate. This includes outlining the company's mission statement, goals, and strategies. The third step is to calculate the necessary startup costs and funding requirements. This includes estimating how much money will be needed for inventory, marketing, rent, etc. The next step is to develop a financial forecast that predicts how much revenue the business will generate and how much profit it will make. Now let me tell you about what to include in your business plan with side hustle money. We all know that when you're starting a business, it's important to have a clear plan of what you want to achieve. This means including specific details about your business, such as its goals, products and services, target market, and how you will make money. If you're also doing a side hustle to make money, it's important to include that in your business plan as well. This can include information about the products or services you offer through your side hustle, as well as how that income will help support your new business. It's also important to be realistic about how much money you can expect to make from your side hustle. Don't overestimate the amount of income you can bring in, or you may set unrealistic expectations for your new business. How to use your side hustle money to grow your business. If you're like most people, you have a side hustle. A side hustle is a job or project that you do in addition to your regular job. It can be something you're passionate about, or it can be something that pays the bills. No matter what your side hustle is, you can use the money you earn from it to grow your business. Here are a few tips. 1. Invest in yourself. When you have extra money, invest it in yourself and your business. Take courses, read books, and attend workshops to learn new skills and strategies. 2. Buy tools and equipment. If you need tools or equipment to do your job, buy them with your side hustle money. This will help you work more efficiently and save time. 3. Expand your business network. I'll list some tips for making your side hustle money work for your business. When it comes to making money, it's important to think outside the box. If you're looking for ways to bring in some extra cash, a side hustle is a great option. A side hustle can be a great way to make money while you're still working your day job. It can also help you build your business skills and knowledge. There are a number of ways to make your side hustle money work for your business. Make sure you set goals and track your progress. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you're making the most of your side hustle income. Use your side hustle income to invest in your business. This can include things like marketing, education, or equipment upgrades. Now that you guys know the pros and cons of investing your side hustle money, let's review some investment plans which will pay you back really well. Also make sure to watch my other videos because I've discussed many of these investment plans in detail. First idea is investing in rental property. As an investor, you may be looking for ways to grow your portfolio and secure your financial future. One option you may want to consider is rental properties. Rental properties can provide you with steady income, appreciation potential, and tax benefits. In today's economy, rental properties are a sound investment. They offer stability and a consistent return on investment. Businesses that are looking for a way to grow and expand should consider purchasing a rental property. It is important to do your research before investing in a rental property. Make sure you know what the average rent is in the area, as well as what the vacancy rate is. You also need to be aware of any zoning restrictions in the area. Once you have purchased a rental property, it is important to keep it well maintained. This will help ensure that you have a steady stream of tenants coming through your doors. It is also important to screen your tenants carefully so that you don't end up with any bad apples who will damage your property or stop paying rent. Here are some things to think about when investing in rental properties. 1. Location is key. When selecting a property to rent out, choose a location that is desirable to tenants. Consider factors such as the population of the area, the job market, and the cost of living. 2. Research the market. It's important to know what rents are currently being charged in your area so you can set your rates accordingly. You also need to be aware of any changes that may occur in the market so you can make adjustments to your prices if necessary. 3. Screen tenants carefully. Secondly, you can mine cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency mining is an interesting way of making money. It's definitely not for everyone, as it requires a good bit of technical knowledge and some investment in hardware. However, if you're up for the challenge, it can be a very profitable endeavor. So basically, cryptocurrency mining is a process by which new coins are created. In order to create a new coin, someone has to solve a complex mathematical problem. This is done through something called hashing. Miners use their computers to hash data, and the first miner to solve the problem is rewarded with a new coin. Mining can be done on your own computer, but it's not very profitable that way. The best way to mine cryptocurrency is to join a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners who work together to solve problems and share the rewards. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Bitcoin miners are rewarded with 12.5 Bitcoins for every block they mine. Ethereum miners are rewarded with 3 Ethers per block mined. Lastly, you can also invest in vending machines. The vending machine business is ripe with opportunity. Is it profitable? Yes, vending machines can be profitable. The average vending machine earns $35 a week, but vending machines that are well stocked and placed in safe, high-traffic locations can generate over $400 a month. Vending machines are a great investment for businesses. Not only do they provide a way to make money through the sales of snacks and drinks, but they also offer a way to promote brand awareness and loyalty. By placing vending machines in strategic locations, businesses can not only increase profits but also bring in new customers. When it comes to making money with vending machines, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to research the types of snacks and drinks that sell best in your area. Next, you'll need to find a good location for your machines. Finally, you'll need to set up a schedule for restocking the machines. Keep in mind that every investment has some advantages and disadvantages of its own. Are some for vending machine investments? Some advantages of getting in vending machine business. Easy to scale. Scaling your vending machine business is incredibly easy. You can start off with a few vending machines, and as you become more successful, expand locations. Variety of choices. These days, there are all types of vending machines. Vending machines now serve healthy foods, gourmet options, and sometimes options completely unrelated to food. Little to no overhead costs. There are little to no overhead costs of running a vending machine business, especially if you're running the business on your own. Since vending machine businesses don't require many employees or office space, you don't have to worry about making payroll, benefits, or spending thousands on rent. A few disadvantages of buying a vending machine are: time commitment. Operating a vending machine business will require you to commit some time and energy into stocking, servicing, and collecting money from your machines on a regular basis. Theft and vandalism. Vending machines are an easy target when it comes to theft and vandalism. Ensure that your machine locations are located in secure and safe areas to avoid a loss in profits. Therefore, if you're looking for a simple and profitable way to invest your money, consider investing in vending machines. With proper planning and execution, you can see great returns on your investment. I hope today's video was helpful for you and will motivate you to invest your side hustle money in a business plan. It's better than letting your money get covered in spider webs in a bank. Stay tuned for more vids. Bye.